We've all been there. You click on Chrome, wait 3 business days, and by the time your browser opens, you've aged 3 years. Your PC used to run like a hyperactive cheetah. Now, it operates like a sleepy sloth carrying a backpack full of bricks. Before you throw your computer out the window or spend $1,000 on a new one, stop. Most slow PCs don't need to be replaced. They just need a digital spa day. Today, I'm giving you 10 super easy ways to speed up your PC for free, from simple click-of-a-button fixes to the one setting that's secretly hogging your speed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Murder the startup vampire's vampire. When you turn on your PC, dozens of apps try to wake up at the exact same time. Spotify, Steam, Discord, OneDrive, apps you aren't even using yet. The fix: press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab. Look at the Impact column. Right-click anything you don't need the second your computer turns on and click Disable. Boom! Your boot time just cut in half. Step 2. Turn on Best Performance Power Mode High Voltage. By default, Windows is a bit of a cheapskate with power. It tries to save energy, which means throttling your CPU performance. The fix: go to Settings, System Power and Battery. Change your power mode from Balanced to Best Performance. Give your processor permission to actually use its muscles. Step 3. Clear out system trash and storage sense wastebasket. Imagine trying to sprint while carrying 50 pounds of old junk mail. That's your hard drive right now. Windows keeps gigabytes of old update files and temporary web cache. The fix: go to Settings, System, Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Windows will now automatically delete temp files, so your drive stays clean on autopilot. Step 4. Kill Fancy Animations Artist Palette. Windows 11 looks slick with all its fading menus, subtle shadows, and translucent taskbars. But those animations waste GPU and CPU cycles. The fix: press the Windows key, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows, and open it. Select Adjust for Best Performance. Tip: check Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts so text still looks pretty. Your Windows will snap open instantly. Step 5. Evict the bloatware door. If you bought a pre-built PC or laptop, it likely came loaded with random free trials, bloatware, antiviruses, and games you've never touched. The fix: go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Scroll through the list like a ruthless landlord and hit Uninstall on anything you don't use or recognize. Step 6. Stop background app permissions ghost. Just because an app is closed doesn't mean it stopped working. Dozens of apps stay awake behind your back, sending notifications and updating data. The fix: in Settings, Installed Apps, click the 3 dots next to non-essential apps, like weather or news apps. Tap Advanced Options, and under Background App Permissions, change it to Never. Step 7. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, HAGS, video game. Here's a pro tip that gamers and video editors will love. If you have a dedicated graphics card, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel Arc, Windows can offload CPU tasks straight to your GPU. The fix: go to Settings, System, Display Graphics. Click Change Default Graphics Settings and toggle Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling to On. Restart your PC. Step 8. Run a malware scan microbe. If your PC slowed down overnight, you might have a hidden passenger, like a stealthy crypto miner sucking up 90% of your CPU. The fix: you don't need paid software. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a quick scan. For extra peace of mind, grab the free version of Malwarebytes for a deep sweep. Step 9. Turn on Game Mode Joystick. Even if you aren't a hardcore gamer, Windows Game Mode prioritizes your active window and prevents background Windows updates from stealing your bandwidth and CPU mid-task. The fix: Search for game mode in your start menu settings and make sure it's toggled on. Step 10. The ultimate hardware lifesaver. Upgrade to an SSD. Computer disk. If you did all 9 software steps and your PC is still slow, check your drive type. If your Windows operating system is still installed on an old-school mechanical hard drive, HDD, that's your bottleneck. The fix: swapping an old mechanical drive for a basic SSD costs under $30 to $40 today, but it will literally make your 7-year-old laptop feel 10 times faster than the day you bought it. And there you have it, 10 quick, actionable ways to breathe new life into your slow PC. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop a comment down below and let me know how much faster your boot time got. If this video saved your computer from a trip to the trash bin, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.